Hello everyone, this is Wiecek from Sqr One, and today I want to take you through the mistakes that you should avoid when working on your next customer journey mapping project. The very first mistake that you should avoid is lack of clarity. By now, everybody in the organization should know why you're working on a customer journey mapping project and potentially how this will be implemented in the business. If you haven't brought in your stakeholders in the process, then that potentially will create lack of clarity. Ask yourself, what are the potential risks that by now you have in your project, and do you need to bring clarity in your business? The second mistake also to avoid is the journey actually dies. And that happens a lot. A lot of organizations get very excited about this beautiful storytelling tool that ultimately it is a little bit too hard to implement. So it is very important that you make your customer journey mapping digestible and implementable. Another mistake to avoid is actually not having a project team. Sometimes customer journeys get implemented by someone who perhaps sits in the customer experience department or in the marketing department, sometimes in the sales department, and actually not having someone who will carry out the project after it's being put together could be quite detrimental to the business. So ask yourself, do you have the right project team? And if you don't, who can actually implement the customer journey mapping project? Another mistake to avoid is actually not having a validated customer journey. That's a big ouch. A lot of businesses do this. They create a journey with probably very little to none research, and they create it, they build it, and they put it back into the roadmaps, and they create these opportunities that actually never have been validated with customers. So how do you know these are opportunities that your customers truly need and opportunities that will address those problems that your customers have? So ask yourself, if you're working on a customer journey mapping project, have you validated your personas, for example, as well as your journey? Another mistake to avoid is actually not having budget or resources in place to continue with implementation of your customer journey mapping project. It is quite important by now that you have engaged with those key stakeholders in your business to ensure that you have some budget capability and some resources capability to build the roadmap that you have put together. That is everything for today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please be compassionate and remember, we are people talking to people. Thanks a lot. Bye. I'm just sounding funny. Wait. Oh, Alice, stop it. For more tips and insights, visit our website at sqrone.com.au or follow Sqr One on social to learn how human-centered design can help you create better employee and customer experiences with empathy in mind.